Hey guys, oh my gosh, where to even start? Okay, this Friday I have a market downtown, and of course I am freaking out because I have a pattern. I do this every time. I feel like I never have enough product, and I'm like, okay, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, and I have no idea what to expect for this market that's going to be downtown Oak Harbor, really for the whole month. I'm going to be there, and I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous about foot traffic. I'm nervous about not having enough product. I'm nervous about weather. I'm nervous about my setup. I do this every time. Every time I have a market, I'm always like super stressed out and a bit of a basket case. So yesterday I didn't film any of it, but I went and set up my whole setup in the garage, which I'll show you, and I'm going to put out stickers, and the final finished product will be out there. But right now what I'm doing is I'm updating a lot of my signage because I've decided I'm going to change some pricing, and I also need to make more signage for my new products like my magnetic bookmarks or my notepads and my standard bookmarks. So that's what I'm doing this morning, which what I'm doing is I'm going in Canva, updating that, and then putting them over into Photoshop so then I can get it all on one piece of paper. So another thing is that I have like regular bookmarks. Yeah, Zola. Yeah, she's just got to make her appearance for a second. So let's say hello, Zola. Goodbye. All right, now you gotta go. Scoot, 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 scoot. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go. All right. So now I have standard magnets. All right. So I have regular magnets, and I bought like these sticky dot things to put on the back of them. And to be honest, I mean, the packaging looks great, but I really had a problem with customers getting it and then having to deal with the sticky backing that stayed on the back of the magnet. So guess what I'm doing? I am taking all these out and working on a new backing and trying to figure out a different way that, and when I have them on display, I don't want them to be sticking to each other, doing what magnets do best. So I'm trying to figure out a way where it's not as strong. So like putting like cardboard on the back so they're not really strongly sticking to each other. That is also something that I'm tackling today. There's just a lot to do, and to be honest, I just don't have enough time to do it. I just dropped off my kids, ate breakfast, and now I'm getting to work, and I'll show you a little bit of like what I'm doing on the computer. Let me show you my new backing and my prices and what I did on Photoshop. So what I did is on Canva, I redid my backing cards. So this is like the new magnets backing card, and there's going to be a set of 4 just like this. It's just that I've made it a little bit better, and then the other ones are just my display cards, and I'll show you that when we get out there, get back out there for my setup. And then what I'm trying to do is like, here's a piece of cardboard, so I'm planning on putting it on the back, and so hopefully they won't stick as much. I don't know. I don't know. We will see if this idea works or if it doesn't. Yeah. And then I've got these little cards, these little displays, and I've got a little clamp. Once again, I'll show you guys when I get out there. But for right now, I'm going to work on this, and then I'm going to cut it out, laminate it. So then I have my little signies ready to go, and I'll put them out there. bookmark packaging. Hold on. Oh, I put it out in the garage. Okay, that is where we're headed to now. So I've finished up some more of my signage. And now we're gonna head out to the garage. It's gonna be a little dark, so I might actually put out some lighting so you guys can see everything better, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. It's pretty dark in there. But I'm gonna put these up, and then I'm gonna bring out all of my stickers, put everything up, and pretty much have a whole preview of how everything's going to look for the market this Friday. I think that is it for right now. So let's head over to the garage. Yeah, it's pretty dark in here. Oh well. So this is my setup here. I'll kind of go through it, but let me put these signs up real quick and then I'll show you everything. Okay, so this is one table, and so I've got my prints, I've got my like little bookmark displays, notepads, handmade bookmarks, and my prints, magnetic bookmarks. So I have this, and this is actually like a spice rack, but I'm trying to figure out, I'm gonna put like a dowel or something there. So then hopefully it will hold it in place, or if it gets windy or whatever, I need something to hold these guys. So then I could layer it like that and have different levels of them. And then this right here, I'm gonna put, I haven't put all my stickers up yet, but you'll see I'll have all my stickers there. And then I've got my ornaments, and then there's gonna be some canvases in these empty stands here. These are all my painted stones, and then my magnetic bookmark display. This actually turned out really good. I really like that, so much better than it was. Easy to read. And then back here, I'm going to have my little table where I'm going to do some of my painting over here in the corner. And then obviously my till and packing supplies. And then here, phone grips. I have so many phone grips, but guess what? Etsy will not let me post them on Etsy because it's trademarked. So like pop socket, because it's like a pop socket, it's a whole thing. But I have a whole bunch of them that I'm trying to get rid of. So I've actually reduced the price to what it was, which was like $15. So I've changed it to $10. And then I've got my keychains, which I only have 2 handmade painted ones. And then I've got some that I bought from Sticker Mule, or I ordered from Sticker Mule a while back. Still have a ton of those. Those have not sold very well. And then I've got my necklaces, and I do not have a ton of them, but I'm going to finish setting up here, and then you guys will have a whole scope of what it looks like. I'm going to put up some lighting so you guys can see better. But let's get to work on that. Yeah, look at that. That's so much better. 2 lights right here. No secrets here. All right, we are going to get started. I'm going to get started, and I'm going to start putting things right here on the sticker board here. So this is going to be my setup for the market this Friday. I always feel like I never have enough product to have. So this is my sticker display. Normally I have stickers hanging out, but I think maybe I'll experiment without having stickers hang out so people can actually look. And then over here it's still empty, but there'll be magnets in there. And then ornaments, canvases, all the stones that I have, which really aren't many, and that's pretty much it. I don't know, we'll see. I want to make more stuff, but I just don't know if I'll be able to. I still have some stones that I need to finish up and seal and all that stuff, and I did tumblers a long time ago, and I really need to get back into doing tumblers again. That, and I really want to upscale my jewelry stuff too. I've decided that I am going to do the music festival this year, and I really need to up my game and make more product. But yeah. Oh boy, I am tired after doing all that. It was a lot. Of course, at the end, I know, like, I need to add my banner, right? So I was just trying to think, I'm like, all right, well, I should probably have my banner displayed, which is old. It doesn't have like my current logo or anything like that, which is something I need to update because I need a new banner with my logo on it because my logo's on everything. So that'll be my next purchase. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out what I want to do for my design because I might need to change some things around. I wanted to just say that this is probably going to be the end of this vlog. I am hoping that I'll be able to film during setup for this market. We will see what happens, and on the next vlog it'll be set up and the results of our shop update. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'm excited either way. Expectations are low, so we will just go with the flow. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you next time. Bye.